Yoga has always been my go-to when I need to de-stress and unwind. There's just something about the combination of deep breathing and gentle movements that helps me find my center again. One of my favorite yoga poses for stress relief is child's pose. I love sinking down onto my mat, bringing my knees wide and reaching my arms out in front of me. As I rest my forehead on the ground, I feel a sense of surrender wash over me. It's like I'm letting go of all the tension and worry that's been weighing me down. With each breath, I feel myself sinking deeper into the pose, letting go of any lingering stress or anxiety. Another pose that always helps me relax is legs up the wall. I love finding a quiet corner, propping my legs up against the wall, and just breathing deeply. As I close my eyes and focus on my breath, I can feel the tension melting away from my body. It's like all the stress and worry is being drained out of me, leaving me feeling light and refreshed. One of the most powerful poses for stress relief is Savasana, or corpse pose. This pose is all about complete relaxation and surrender. I love lying on my back, arms and legs spread out, and just letting go. As I focus on my breath and allow my body to sink into the mat, I can feel all the stress and tension leaving me. It's like I'm giving myself permission to just be, without any expectations or pressures. Yoga has this incredible ability to help me release all the stress and tension that builds up in my body and mind. By practicing these poses regularly, I'm able to find a sense of peace and calm that carries me through even the most challenging times. It's like my mat becomes a sanctuary where I can let go of all my worries and just be present in the moment. And for that, I am truly grateful.